Hello, this is Rosina's Italian Kitchen, and today I'm making a grilled ham and cheese sandwich. So I'm going to brush, well, first of all, instead of brushing it first, I'm going to put the ham on the bread. And I'll just fold this over so there's plenty of ham. I'll then put the top on it. And now I'll brush and... Oh yeah, and here I forgot to put the cheese on. It's a grilled ham and pepper jack cheese sandwich. But instead of using butter to get the bread toasted, I'm going to brush some olive oil on it. Just a little healthier, I guess. I don't know for sure. Okay, and I'm going to turn it over and put the olive oil on, brush the olive oil on the other side of the bread. And when it's finished, we'll show you the end results before we eat it. Just put it on the grill now. You know, one of those George Foreman grills. They're really handy for a grilled sandwich. There we go. I just finished getting the sandwich toasted in the George Foreman grill. Put it in a plate and we're ready to eat. Until next time, take care. You might try this. Bye.